Do you want to add phone number in X account? You can change Twitter X mobile number with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add or change your phone number on X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. From the menu, tap on Settings and Support. Now, from the expanded menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. A new screen will open with different options. From here, find and tap on your account. Again, a new screen will open. Tap on Account Information. Here you will see different account info. Find and tap on Phone. Now, tap on Add Phone Number if you have not added one before, or tap on your existing phone number to change it. Enter your new phone number in the box. Once added, tap on Next button. X will send a verification code to your phone number. Enter the verification code to confirm your number. And follow on-screen instruction. Now, your phone number will be added or updated on your X account.